All right, guys, let's do some math. In your fluency book that you got, when you go to a new unit, we're doing a new module today. This is module 6. In the fluency, this first fluency, they have, what does this look like to you? To me, it looks like a reckon wreck. Okay? So what I want you to do with this is I want you to use this with your finger to count to 100. Start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See if you can make it. Now, if you do it right, when you get up to here, it's going to be 100. And each one of these is going to be a 10, right? Remember how we colored these? A similar one like this. Just use this touch to count up to 100 to give you some practice with that, okay? All right, come over with me over here. Okay. I'm going to be glancing over there every once in a while. We're going to be working right now with some instructions, okay? So, first thing I want you to do is I want you to stand up, and then I want you to put your hands on your shoulders. Second. Ready? Go. Okay? Now, what did you do first? You stood up, right? And then what was the second thing I asked you to do? Put your hands on your shoulders. All right, good. Now listen to my directions this time. First, stand up. Second, put your hands on your shoulders. And then third, jump up and down 3 times. Ready? Go. All right, did you do it? Now, what did you do first? Stood up, right? And what did you do second? Hands on shoulders. And what did you do third? Jump up and down. Good. Now, let's do it one more time. Listen carefully. First, you're going to clap your hands 2 times. Second, you're going to stomp your feet 3 times. And third, you're going to shout hooray once. You ready? I'll say it again because it's a lot to do. First, clap your hands 2 times. Second, stomp 3 times. And third, shout hooray once. Ready? Go. All right. Now, what did you do second? Do you remember what we did second? Stomped 3 times. What did you do first? Clapped 2 times, right? And then what did we do last? Shouted hooray. Okay. Now, today we're going to be building some things and you're going to be following directions. Back. So the first thing I want you to do is see if you can go find something, some long straight things, 4 of them. Pencils, crayons, markers, toothpicks. I'm going to be using straws. Okay? Goodness, Jesus, sorry about that. Okay. Pause it if you haven't got your things, but go get your things, and I have got 4 things. All right. So, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my straight edges and I'm going to put it here. Second, I'm going to put another one here at an angle and another one here. Okay, and then the third thing I'm going to do is put my last shape there. Now you do that with yours. And what have we made? This is a square, right? Okay. Now, let's do a different thing. I'm going to, you can watch this whenever you can try it. If you haven't like any clay or anything like that, I have just a little bit of clay here. And I'm going to rip this up into 3 balls of clay. Okay, so I have 1 ball, 2 balls, and 3 balls. You don't have to have the balls, but I'm going to have them because we're going to do this. Okay, first, I'm going to put down 3 lines. Okay, we got 3 lines here. Second, I'm going to put them into a triangle. And then third, I'm going to poke the ends of each straw into one of the triangles. 1 Okay, now you see what I've got here? Now, how many sides did I use? 1, 2, 3. How many corners do I have? Well, we can count the balls of clay, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 corners. Now, it doesn't matter how I rotate this, right? It's always going to be a triangle. Okay, now let's pass this off and get a piece of paper. Go grab a piece of paper for me. And if you have a ruler, you're going to love using this ruler. Okay? So go get a ruler and a pencil and a crayon. You can pause to go get those. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is first, I'm going to draw one line on my piece of paper. Do you see how nice and straight it is because I'm using my ruler? Okay. Now I'm going to take it and move it over here. Second, draw another line. And then third, I'm going to go to the bottom and connect these two lines. And you see what I've made? A triangle. Now I'm going to take my crayon, I'm going to color this corner, that corner, and that corner. How many corners did I do? 1, 2, 3. All right. Let's jump over to your problem set today. And this is what you're going to do. You're going to listen to the directions. Somebody can read these to you. The first thing, or I can read them to you and you can pause and do each of them. I'm not going to wait while you do it. First, draw the missing line to finish the triangle using a ruler. If you don't have a ruler, you can just draw it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Second, color the corners red. That's why I got a red crayon. You can use a red marker if you don't have red, just whatever color. Third, draw another triangle. You draw another triangle here. Now it says first, use your ruler to draw 2 lines to make a square. So you're going to draw one here and one. Second, color the corners red. Third, draw another corner. The other corner will go here. First, draw, and then down here, it says first draw a triangle using your ruler. Second, draw a different triangle using your ruler. One triangle here, one triangle here. Third, show the pictures to your partner. You have a partner, show it to your mom or your dad or your dog or something. On the back of this page, there's some math problems for you to practice. Okay? So we have 4 plus 1 equals, you write all of the answers in this box, this box, this box, and this box. And then you're done with math. Okay? Now for your exit ticket, it gives you first, draw a straight line from the dot. Second, draw a different straight line from the dot. Third, draw another straight line to make a triangle. Okay, so that's your exit ticket. Now, one more thing I want you to do today, and this is the Lesson 2 Core Fluency Sprint A. I don't think I'm going to do that. Well, yeah, let's do it. Core Fluency Sprint A is just more math problems. Here, the answers are all on this side, and here some of the answers are on this side, and some of the answers are on this side. So sometimes the whole is on the beginning, and sometimes the whole is on the end. Now, on this side, it's all plus. Over here, down at the bottom, they skipped in 2 minuses to make it tricky for you, so pay attention. Make sure you do minus for these 2. Okay, and then we'll be done with math. That's it for math. I'll see you at our Zoom meeting at 10 o'clock, hopefully.